Hello and welcome back guys to our video. Today we will make a flamingo using the handprints. Stick its eyes, draw its legs, draw its feather, then give its neck a white shade using the brush. Draw some designs outside its body and it's ready. Next, we will draw a tree. First, draw its branches using the black pen as we are drawing. Make two more as such, and then using the fingertips, put the colors one by one using different multiple colors as we have done in this video. And your beautiful tree is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, using the pressing material, we will draw white circles all over the sheet. Then using the earbuds, we will draw the flowers using yellow and red color. Follow the video as we are doing. Then we will color the bottom part of the flowers. Then using the brush, we will draw the leaves and the stems of the flowers. Draw a honey bee and it's ready. Next, we will make the tulip flowers. Using the brush and earbuds, draw the dot, then we will create its stem and leaves, make the honeybees around them, and it's ready. Next, we will make the mushrooms. After creating its top part, we will make its stem using white color. Then using the brush, we will draw the grasses. After making the grasses, we will make small plants and trees using the brush. Using toothbrush, spread the green part. Then we will make the snail on top of the blue mushroom. Put some small dots inside the mushroom as we are doing. And your mushrooms are ready. I hope you liked it. Enjoy! Next, we will make a bunch of grapes. First, draw the stem using the brush, then using the cutout of the leaves, press the green color on it. Now using small round shape pressing material, we will draw blue color, gray, then we will give it a finishing using white color. Next, using the green pen, design the leaves and it's ready. Next, we will draw a very beautiful drawing. Take the green color on the pressing sponge material and press it over the sheet as we are doing. Then take the red color and move forward with the same technique. Now again take the blue color and move forward with the same technique. Just remember, go from dark to lower shade, otherwise it won't look good. Then take a brush with a black color, draw the trunks of the tree as we are doing. Now with the same color on which you are drawing the tree, use the same color to mark the dots to make the leaf. Watch the video very carefully and try to capture the technique as we are following in this video. If you won't follow the technique and the process as we are following, painting may not come out as good as it is looking. So try to follow the steps and procedures as we have shown in this video. And after completing the dots, your picture will be ready. Next, we will make some cute lollipop. Make the round shape using the pressing material, then draw their handle using the brown color. Draw a bow on its neck, draw circular patterns inside it, and it's ready. Next, we will draw a girl wearing a frock. First, we will draw the face of the girl, draw its hairs, neck, and her hands. Then color her hair. After using the fingertips, make its dress. Use green, red, orange, blue, and pink, and multiple colors of your choice as well. It's ready. Thanks for watching.